What's going on, YouTube? Back out here at the Passat. I don't know why I didn't go ahead and do this whenever I done the blower fan, but when I changed out the blower fan, I should have went ahead and changed out the cabin filter. That wasn't thinking about it at the time, and then all of a sudden this week it was like, hey, I need to check that and change it out. Get up underneath, right where the blower, you got that little cover, that screw, little plastic screw. I'm just gonna unscrew it, pull it down, and this little, it just helps protect so people's feet don't get up in there. Just pull it on down. And then that box right there, if you can get up underneath there, there's a marking, an arrow that's pointing towards the passenger door. Just go ahead and a little tab right here, just push it over towards passenger door, pull it out of the way, and then you got your filter. Pull the filter on down and out. Oh, nasty little thing. Yeah. It's time to change it. Throw that out of the way. Go ahead and get the new filter. And it's got a arrow on the bottom. You want to make sure that arrow, you got the airflow going the right way. That arrow needs to point towards the motor. But just got it back up in there. I have to kind of maneuver it a little bit. Tried to. Yeah, drop the camera. All right, give me a second. That should be just like that. Yeah, I had to do two hands. Once you get it. There's the door. That's what I was talking about. You got the arrow on it. It says open. You're going to slide it towards the passenger door, but just put it back up in there and then hold up, and as you're holding it up, just slide it on back. And that's it to changing out the filter, cabin filter. I hope this helps anybody out there, and y'all have a good one.